Alright guys, hey guys, I'm in Israel's house. I'm about to surprise him, so let's go. I got my shirt on. So we got Mr. Israel with no t-shirt on. Hey bro, before I say hello to you, hey, look at me. Before I say hello, let me see. He's 90. He's good. We can work with him today. What are you doing, bro? Really?
I killed him.
Really? All right, guys. So what are we doing today? We're gonna mic up everything on the car because we're gonna shave this engine bay. As you can see, there's a lot of fucking holes everywhere, including here and here. So Israel and I, we're gonna mark up where the lights have to be, and then what else we're gonna close next to it, so I don't make the same mistake that I made on my CRX. Because these right here is very important for the car. This is for the fender. This is for the ground. These we can cover. This is for the radiator. I don't know if you're still using the.
We use a different one.
Okay, so this bolt can come out. We can seal that out. We can seal that out. So we need a red marker. That's the next step we're gonna have. And then we're gonna take all the brake lines right there, and then we're gonna mark every little thing that has to be welded and non-welded on the car and cut. So it's gonna be probably gonna have to take this shit to my house, but let's try not to. Until we can take it out. It's up to you. I have to drill it out here, here, there. I don't know how big of that can. You need to bring me your fuel on, your fuel, not the fuel rail, the fuel pressure regulator. If you have it, I need it so I can mark it up right now. You need to install, at least put it on there, your delete and your brakes. I mean your clutch, and whatever. Oh, and we got to mark up for the brake lines, the clutch lines are gonna come out, so we can mark all that in, and then we can know what we can feel out or not. Let me borrow that little stool. So that's what we're doing right now, guys. We're about to, me and Israel, we're about to do all this right here. So all these little things right here, like this right here, all these got to be filled in. This is going to be taken out. Cut these out, fill this out. This right here. All this got to be here. This right here got to be cut out, taken out, just like that. These are the fuel lines right here. Look what's behind me. Jenny and Age's Garage just to show up. Age's Garage just to show up. So Ages, you like my little coloring?
Yeah, what you doing?
Marking up everything that we got to hold, seal, and close.
He's gonna redo the bay, right?
The whole fucking engine bay had to be done.
Yeah. What up, Buddha?
Bro, leave the half-naked man alone. Did he get?
What's happening?
Hey, cameraman, yeah. To see everything happening.
The viewers don't know what's happening. You gotta ask what's happening.
Here's the gauge. This gauge goes there.
How are you gonna see that gauge where the gauge goes there?
What you mean?
How are you gonna see it, bro?
Why would I need to see it?
You gotta go over the motor to see it, right?
What are you talking about?
What do you mean you're talking about?
What are you talking about?
So you're standing over there. You got to look at this way to see the gauge.
No, man. I'm not Ivan. What do I look like?
Oh, come on.
It's not a
That's
diesel
not
mechanic.
true.
That's what you got to say.
That's right. Me diesel mechanic. That's right.
Look, it's gonna look like this. This real. I like this setup. Your starter's gonna be right there. The line is gonna be like this,
And we can put it right underneath the.
and your fuel line, your fuel rail is gonna be right there.
Yeah, so be perfect.
This right here, you gotta stay away from that.
They can get caught and rip it.
That's your clutch. So when we had the motor sitting in the engine, that's when we need the engine in there
To figure out
to mark up everything that we need to mark up. But that's how your fuel rail is going to look. Look how clean that should look, bro.
It looks good.
Exactly. That's something, if I do modification to my Honda, this is another thing that I'll be doing.
That's why Hybrid Racing should sponsor me. They should sponsor me.
I got a CRX, bro. Every time I take it to a show, bam! Just gonna look at me. Gaijin Garage.
You got anything to say?
Sponsor us.
Yeah, come on. We got a couple more bills.
He has an all
You gotta,
K2
you
car.
gotta sponsor the asthma car. That's what you gotta sponsor.
No, we're not. We don't sponsor
Look,
anything with asthma.
We have
No offense to
the
anybody that
CRX.
has asthma.
We had the freaking Integra up there.
That's right.
The
We
freaking
have-
Integra, not just the, it was the freaking Integra.
Yeah, we have the the S2000. I'm building a 500 horse plus motor. One more. What car I'm gonna put that into? I don't know. So it's gonna be old school. So in this case, Israel, your starter will go in that corner, and this around here should be. See, that's the way it's gonna go.
Scared about this stuff.
But that's what we had to mark it up somehow. Because your line's gonna be there. You don't want to.
Is that under or that's on the right? So, what if we do?
See, the way I did it on mine,
Like
we
that,
can we can
so
do
it's
that, and then we just turn this around.
That's
Plug it
probably
in.
how we might have to do it. And I can get like a something like that can mock like right here that can hold it or something.
Yeah, there we go. Now you're thinking. Oh, right here, look. You
Yeah.
see all these screws right here? We can go to Home Depot and get a little metal, bend it over, and hold it back in, and hold the lines in place. With my CRX, this is the way I got the fuel line.
Yeah, I think that's how
Like that. Away from away from the hoses, away from everything. And then we can put it like this. Boom. And this right here will be your fuel rail.
That'd be perfect. It won't be in the way of anything.
So that's the way we're marking up his fuel line.
Perfect.
So that's out of the way. Let's leave that right there hanging. Cool. Give me that towel or the shirt. I don't want to scratch this shit. Okay. So that's your fuel line, bro. That's gonna look so sexy when it's sitting like that. 'Cause you're not gonna see the fuel line. It's gonna be nice and sexy all the way through. And then you're gonna put this gauge. I got one just like that at home. And we're gonna put it right here. Boom. So that's gonna look perfect. And then you adjust your gauge. See, on my CRX, I didn't want to put it on the rail. So I put it here, like that. So mine was sitting here, you see, so you see it better, like this. And then I can adjust it through here, and adjust the rail better. So there we go. All right, next thing, we need to. Where's your brake line, your clutch line?
It's right there.
You got blocks, high performance stuff?
Yeah. This
Bro.
is the. This is the thing.
Okay, so you're gonna try that first, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna try this first to see if I like it. This is what.
You got an actual one now?
This is everything that we're using here.
Hush.
Bro, I love your shit. I love your shit. I got it on my CRX. You're friend with me on Facebook, Instagram, and you follow my channel, bro. You know we love your crap. I love this company. Sponsor me, bro. Really am. EF for life. So, you know how this works? You got Allen keys.
Yeah. In the car.
Oh my god, already breaking the nice stuff.
Ivan, shut up. These are mechanics. got Ivan underneath there cutting. I hope he doesn't cut his finger.
Yeah, I'm cutting another wire.
So when you do stuff like this, instead of right away go into a big one, you want to start with a little one, mark out the place. Because I want one line to go here. I want to mark up that right now. And I want the other one right about here. So I want enough place so I don't have to fuck up the... Can you see it perfectly?
Yes. Yeah, it's perfect now.
All right, hold on. We're not done. See that nut right here? He dropped it again. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got the first one right there. So this one. That one goes right there. This is the one that'll be bothering me a little bit. Because the way this line was built. I should have put a little bit more line into it. I don't know.
Is there one that's a little longer? What's this for?
That goes inside here and then boosts you. So basically,
Oh, to push the...
yeah,
I see.
that
Okay.
goes there and then your thing goes in there and then push.
Right.
So you gotta,
Okay, I see.
but hold on. This one goes right here. This one, hold on, finish this one, bro.
Damn, it probably was silver at one point. The Jamaican guy called. He wants his car back.
Who? Jamaican call?
No, the Jamaican kid called. He wants his car back.
After we do all this fucking modification, fuck you.
Probably gonna try to say it's blown motor.
No. There you go, Israel. We got it. There it. There you go.
Perfect.
So that's how it's gonna look.
That's good. Not too bad. I like it.
So that's how it's gonna look. So now we got to work on the interior. Now before we do that,
Yeah, look
bring
at
me
my
this.
custom. Look at my custom
that?
shit. Custom.
He talks a lot of shit. The fuel line's gonna be real close to this right here. Return. Like this. We're gonna get a 90.
That looks really nice.
I'm trying to get a 90 right there. What? Thank you. You like my work?
I know, right? All that cutting I had to do.
Well, these gotta be lined up. When we tied them up, these gotta be like literally like that, straight. These right here, I should be straight. If you look at mine, I made a little bracket to hold them in
So
place.
you can make it play. Because you messed up.
No, because I used one of these entrance for that.
Oh, one of the holes for it?
Yeah, and I made a bracket out of it so I can put it in. So I didn't have to do all this cutting shit.
It's amazing how all these cars can have swaps like this.
It's kind of amazing. Which is Honda, boy. See that forehead? Because I was smacking against this when I was working, bro. He did. He didn't want to be buying soda. He abusing his dad. Oh, fuck him up.
Nothing.
You see this right here? That's for the cable shifter. We did all that right here. We took all this nice clamps and clean. This is where all this is going to go. Nice progress for the day.
No.
Nothing? Okay.
So you sent your original one to them?
Rywire doesn't.
All right, guys. I'm about to say goodbye to Israel and his crew. We did a lot today here. We did all this right here. It's going to look amazing after we're done. All this little marking you see here is basically what we're going to weld and we're going to shut down so we can do our shaving area. He got the S2000. It looks super clean. The S2000 reservoir for his clutch. He got that. We did the lines there. And then we did the lines down there. So we're going to use these lines and we're going to connect them there later on. And we got to do the back ones all the way to the front. I had to remac this right here and mac it in place. So it looks good right there. Are you happy with this look?
Happy. Very happy. He's ugly. Very ugly.
This guy.
Fucking bubbles.
Again, this is your boy, Guy Gene. Follows ages and never put a video unless it's my crackheads in it.
Put a video. Shut up.
And then this is Mr. Type as Volt in the house.
Vlogs.
Vault blogs.
Vlogs.
Blog or whatever it is. Mr. Type press something.
It's okay. He took him forever to say ages.
So, oh, we got a WRX right behind us. Come on, bro. You want to race? I got the Grandmobile. Hey, guys. Hit like, hit share, and peace out. Be safe with the coronavirus. Be like me.
Yeah.
Test these motherfuckers. Hey, by the way, where's my thermostat?
Your sandwich.
My thermostat.
It's in the car.
Okay.
You need to check him again, bro. You know, symptoms,
Yeah, bro.
Symptoms
Now they
take a
got
little bit.
cut. You know what he did, bro? Working in there, he pushed my head over like that. This is senior abuse. Anybody wants to buy a car? We have a nice car right here, sitting right here for sale. You only want $700, and that's it.
It's got Corona.
You need some motor. You need some motor. That's it.
It's got Corona. You don't